नमस्ते बच्चों, आई एम JVN Dr. Surendra Kumar Srivastava from the Department of Science under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will discuss change of bases and effects on matrices. First we understand what is the change of bases. Suppose T is a linear transformation on an n-dimensional vector space of Vf. Let b1 is equal to x1, x2 and so on xn be an old ordered basis of V and b2 is equal to y1, y2 and so on yn be a new ordered basis of V. Then each yi can be written as a linear combination of elements of B2. Let y1 is equal to a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus and so on plus a1n xn. y2 is equal to a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus and so on plus a2n xn. yn is equal to an1 x1 plus an2 x2 plus and so on plus ann xn. This is equation first. Then the transpose of the given matrix aij is equal to a11 a12 a1n a21 a22 a2n an1 an2 ann is called the transition of matrix or change of basis matrix from the basis B1 to B2. Now we see a problem. If the matrix of a linear transformation capital T on V2C or R square R with respect to the basis capital B is equal to 1, 0 and 0, 1 is 1, 1, 1, 1, then find the matrix of capital T with respect to the ordered basis S is equal to 1, 1 and 1 minus 1. For the solution, given the ordered basis capital B is equal to 1, 0 and 0, 1 and T, B is equal to 1, 1 and 1, 1. Now T 1, 0 is equal to 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 0, 1 is equal to 1, 1 and T 0, 1 is equal to 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 0, 1 is equal to 1, 1. If a, b belongs to V2C or R square R, then find we have T a, b is equal to T a1 1, 0 plus b 0, 1, that is a T 1, 0 plus b T 0, 1 is equal to a 1, 1 plus b 1, 1. T a, b is equal to a plus b, a plus b. This is equation first. Here the new ordered basis is S is equal to 1, 1 and 1 minus 1. We have T 1, 1 is equal to 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 2. Now 2, 2 is equal to alpha 1, 1 plus beta 1, minus 1 and 2, 2 is equal to alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta. That implies alpha plus beta is equal to 2 and alpha minus beta is equal to 2. Now solving these equations we get alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to 0. So T 1, 1 is equal to 2, 2 is equal to 2, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, minus 1 and T 1, minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, 0. Now 0, 0 is equal to alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta. that implies alpha plus beta is equal to 0 and alpha minus beta is equal to 0. That implies alpha is equal to 0 is equal to beta. So t 1 comma minus 1 is equal to 0 1 comma 1 plus 0 1 comma minus 1. From second and third we find t comma s is equal to 2 comma 0 comma 0 of t, means we have to transpose of 2001 is equal to 2001. Thank you.